Did you know that a simple security app can reveal your husband's biggest secret? Amanda thought the new keycard tracker in her building was just for safety, but when she checked the app, she saw something shocking. Her husband's card was accessing other apartments every night when he said he was working late. Amanda started digging deeper. The logs showed he visited apartment 2B every single evening. That was Lisa's unit, their downstairs neighbor. The timestamps matched perfectly with his overtime excuse. Then Amanda found credit card statements, baby furniture deliveries to apartment 2B, a crib, changing table, bottles, all paid by her husband. Lisa was 7 months pregnant. The worst part? Amanda realized Lisa had been using the building gym and rooftop like family spaces with Amanda's own children, teaching them to call her mom. When Amanda finally confronted them at their secret rooftop barbecue, she saw pregnancy announcement photos everywhere. Her kids were in every picture, smiling next to Lisa's growing belly. 3 years of lies. 3 years of a double life. All discovered through one security app.